Today, let's take a calm stroll through the December top 7 tasks for high school seniors eyeing college. Grab a cup of tea, coffee or cocoa, find a comfy spot, and let's chat about the important steps ahead. Number 7. SAT and ACT testing. First things first, exams. December is the last stretch for SAT or ACT scores for many colleges. It's like the final lap of a marathon. Confirm if your dream college still requires those scores and, if so, make sure to wrap up that December test, your ticket to the next phase. Number 6. Early decision, action. For those of you in the early application club, December might bring news of acceptance, deferral, or denial. If you're leaning towards an accepted offer, it's courteous to bid farewell to other colleges. A simple email or call does the trick to withdraw your application, a polite conclusion to the application chapter. Number 5. Upcoming applications. Now, for those still crafting applications, fear not. December is your canvas. Polish those essays, gather transcripts and recommendations. It's time to create a portrait that reflects your uniqueness. Check your college deadlines to make sure you submit on time. Number 4. Research scholarships. If you've already sailed through the application process, fantastic. But for those still navigating through January deadlines or considering colleges with springtime due dates, take a moment and consider diving into scholarship opportunities. College dreams often need financial support, and December is a good time to explore those avenues. Number 3. FAFSA, CATA. Speaking of finances, FAFSA is the quiet hero in the background. It opens in December, though the specific date is still a mystery. Check your state's deadline. For Californians, it's extended to April 2nd this year. The deadline varies from state to state, so you want to check your deadline. Completing FAFSA early can be strategic, as aid is sometimes on a first-come, first-served basis. A little extra peace of mind during winter break. For undocumented students in California, there's the CADAA, offering another pathway to financial support. Additionally, check out website Immigrants Rising, a helpful resource for funding opportunities. Number 2. Financial aid workshops. You can also attend any financial aid workshops or presentations in your area or online. So, it's a great time for you during your winter break to get that FAFSA, CADAA completed. If you need some assistance, check out my FAFSA walkthrough video and creating an FSA ID video. Number 1. College portals. Now, onto the college portal, your backstage pass. Each college has sent an invite to your personal hub. It's where you find crucial information like financial aid details, missing documents like test scores or letters of recommendation and acceptance letters. You definitely want to create your college portal for each college and then check in on a regular basis to make sure that your application was received, processed, and complete. Take care of that right now. So, that's our December college prep chill session. If you found any nuggets of wisdom, a simple thumbs up and subscribe would be great. I'm here to guide you through this journey, dropping insights at a relaxed pace, at least twice a week. Stay tuned, and good luck with your college planning adventure.